just imagine.
Right, let's go. Loki? Rocky? Hey Google, what are Lena's cats' names?
Here's what you told me.
Hi Oki. Hey Doki. I mean, everything about you is important to me.